Five little elephants by the lake, spraying water, what fun they make. Flapping ears to cool the air, happy voices everywhere. Five little elephants laugh and play, enjoying life in every way. Four little elephants march in line, stomping feet in perfect time. Trumpeting calls through the trees, rustling leaves in the gentle breeze. Four little elephants proudly roam, together they call the jungle home. Three little elephants near a tree, stretching trunks so carefully, grabbing leaves and tasty fruit, chewing slowly, never mute. Three little elephants munch away, sharing food throughout the day. Two little elephants by the stream, splashing water, what a dream. Drinking deep, then cooling down, smiles replace each jungle frown. Two little elephants feel so free, playing games joyfully. One little elephant feels alone, hears a call in a friendly tone. Looking back, friends reappear, running close with joy and cheer. One little elephant jumps with glee, together again, wild and free. Elephants big, strong and kind, smartest friends you'll ever find, helping others every day in the jungle where they play.